Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert line to polyline in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you two options that you can try. So let's go with the first one. Type in here in the command line join, simply join and click enter, or you just can type in J, okay, and press enter. Right, so now we need to select source entity or multiple entities to join at once. So I will select for now this line, right, like that, and hit enter. Yeah, thank you. Set select lines to join the source. Now, like that, and this will be then instantly converted into a single continuous polyline. Then the second option is also in command line, which we can type in PADIT and press enter, or you can just type in PE, as you can see. Press enter. Now press on the line you want to convert, like that. Now BricsCAD will ask the selected entity is not a polyline. So do you want to turn it into one? Type right in yes, so Y, and press enter. If you want to add more lines to it, now type just J, so join, as you can see here. Select the other line so we can do that. So I will type in here J, press enter. Now this one, like so, and enter, and again enter. And just like this, we will get the polylines. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next